This tech tip will cover how to utilize the Trace Overview bar in ATI's Vision Data Analyzer. The Overview bar spans the entire recording length and has features for previewing traces, zooming, and panning the x-axis. Each layout page contains a single overview bar located below the bottom graph on the page. Moving the slider and adjusters affects all graphs on the page. Trace Overview features. The overview bar displays the entire recorded length of the traces added to the bar. The section of time displayed in the graph area is defined by the position of the adjuster's slider window. Adjusting the sliders or moving the entire slider window changes the viewed data and x-axis scaling accordingly. This allows moving the adjusters around a specific area and still having an overall view of the recording. Adding traces. Adding traces is done via dragging and dropping the trace from the legend or data items onto the overview bar. Please note, traces are not required to be visible or added to the graph prior to adding traces to the bar. To clear the scroll bar area of all traces, right-click within the scroll bar and select Clear from the context menu. Please note, clearing the traces displayed in the scroll bar will not affect traces in the graphs. Overview bar height. Users can change the height of the overview bar to suit their preferences or to help save on screen real estate. To adjust the size, right-click within the scroll bar, hover over Overview Height, and select the sizing option. If the overview bar is hidden, users can restore it by clicking on the x-axis. Hover over Overview Height and select a different sizing option. Overview bar slider features. The overview bar has a slider for panning the x-axis and two adjusters for adjusting the x-axis zoom level. The zoom slider, with its handles in the end position, shows the entire span of the x-axis. When zooming, the slider adjusters move to the same time length displayed in the graph. Manually dragging an adjuster changes the x-axis zoom level. The opposite adjuster stays anchored while the selected adjuster is moved. For example, dragging the left adjuster anchors the right adjuster, thus bringing into view or removing from view all recorded data on the left side. To move the adjusters in a uniform manner, place the mouse cursor within the slider area and scroll the mouse wheel.